Yo, tune in, son. Yeah, tune in.
The fuck? Yo, let me not even play around. What's good? It's your boy Jay West. You feel me? Today, I'm gonna do a mukbang. I got a little bowl. No, it's not Chipotle. Y'all never know this spot, but I'm gonna put y'all onto it. Should I? Whatever. It's called Hot Peppers. You feel me? It's in Queens. Feel me? It's like Chipotle, but it's not. It's better. And I figured, yeah, I don't want to drop this on my bed, so I'm doing some crazy shit. But I figured I would just do a mukbang today. Like, I'm bored. Like, why wouldn't I just give some content? I might do a freestyle sometime in here. But yeah, guys, like, feel me? I said I was gonna upload the whole August, and I ended up not even uploading. I made one video, said I was gonna make videos the whole August. Didn't even do that. But it's all good, cause you feel me? I ain't lose but 2 subscribers. Whoever really fuck with me, feel me? Whoever really fuck with me is still gonna be here. Oh my God. Oh my God, y'all, this is him. This is really him, yo. And this is my first meal of the day, like. This is gonna be a real mukbang. But we gonna really, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna make it boring though. I'm a freestyle. Oh yeah, follow my TikTok. It was backwards, obviously. My TikTok gonna be in the description. Let's play a beat. Advertisement. Come on. All right. Eat some more food meanwhile. Okay. I got some hot peppers. It's real hot. Take off the sweater. Yeah. I beat it in the car. She had it dripping on the leather. Yeah. I wish we were still together. Damn. I'm in my bag more than ever. You feel bad. Now you crying. It's okay. Wipe your tears, dry your face. She tryna be my bae. Like, damn, it's okay. You ain't want me when I was down bad. Now you want me cause I got big bags. Look. I'm gonna stop playing around. Mexican food. It's tasting real good. I said I was gonna stop playing around, but I'm still playing. These niggas still hating. I'm still waiting, but I stay patient. Yeah. Ooh. Look. Look. They say who gonna start it off? Who gonna start it off? I won't say I'm the best yet, cause nigga, I'm just starting off. We gonna start it up. We gonna start it off. I like to party. Sip Bacardi. I'm posing like Playboy Cardi. You see me up in the party, I'm living gnarly. Like Jeff Hardy. Yeah. She sniffing the white. I'm sipping the Sprite. This Sprite with the hen. I'm with my boys. I told her bring friends. Yeah, let's have some fun. What you trying to do? You can slide through. I got the coupe. I got the deuce. Yeah. These niggas better not talk crazy. I'm the type of nigga that'll snatch a nigga lady. Real shit. Real quick. Real quick. Hold on. Type of nigga you know rap and eat food though. Come on. Real shit. Who you know freestyle and eat food? That ass. I slid in my wrist. She calling me Poppy. I slid in my wrist. She calling me Poppy. And you know I just can't be in any hoe. Cause I'm not just anybody. Yeah. Alright, yeah, I'm done rapping. I ain't gonna lie. I'm done rapping. Well, freestyling. I was whack. I ain't gonna lie. I just woke up. Damn, I'm getting rice. How the rice just flew out my... Anyways. You feel me? Just giving y'all a little mukbang, some content to look at. Come on, y'all. I have not uploaded. I'm trying to get back on it, but I'm tired of talking. Actions speak louder than words. But I want to collab with some people. I want to get some nice little... I want to get some funny content in. Like, I'm telling y'all, like, I'm trying to bring back the real YouTube, you know what I'm saying? When YouTube was actually, like, lit as hell. Like, everybody's on Twitch now. I'm trying to make it lit again for YouTube. Like, nobody's on YouTube like that. You feel me? When everybody was on YouTube, I don't know why I'm talking so loud. I remember when everybody was on YouTube and it was really like, you feel me? Everybody would watch YouTube all day. Now everybody's on TikTok. Once again, let me shout out my TikTok. I am Jay West, you feel me? On TikTok. Same as my YouTube. Same as my YouTube name. But yeah. Everybody just flooded TikTok now. I want to bring it back to YouTube. I kind of miss YouTube, like... Nah, I really miss YouTube, actually, like... And I never really got on here and stayed on here for a long amount of time. For a long amount of time, as opposed to last year where it was just like, I was on there every day. Posting reaction videos. But I think I might get back to that. I might start uploading some reaction videos. Might. I ain't gonna say I am. Because every time I say I am, I don't do it. Keep getting notifications. But, yeah, man. Honestly, I'm gonna keep it a stack. Like, I want a girl, son.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
I don't even want... It don't even gotta be a girlfriend. I can't have a girl best friend. I can't... Any candidates, like... Come on. Like, y'all playing around at this point. Like, nobody does YouTube. Nobody want to collab. Nobody... Come on, like... What's going on? Like... I want to give y'all a more entertaining video. Sometime soon. Don't know when. Maybe tomorrow. But, yo... I keep telling y'all, like, nobody's listening. Like, keep up with my TikTok, yo. I'm on TikTok every single day. If not, nah, let me not say everything. But yeah, I'm on TikTok so frequent, like, more frequent than YouTube. So y'all need to tap in with me there. Feel me? Y'all need to tap in with me there and shit. As for this video, it's done. It's over. I ain't even getting my thumb... Shit is done. Oh Lord, I ain't even get no thumbnail. That's crazy. Nah, that's really whack. See y'all later.
Then my niggas gon' level up. I might ride on that bitch and I talk a truck. Sippin' purple, that iffy, that double cup. My niggas, we made a way. I said, fuck the nigga, they die, they play. Bitch, I put that on my grave. Smart ass nigga, I ain't feeling my grave. A whole lot of lean, yeah, a whole lot of walk. I'm in LA with the sun, don't stop. Bitch, I might call me a job. Nigga, fair enough.